creators, are you ready to level up your 3D animation game with AI? In this video, I'll share with you some of the coolest AI tools that can help you bring your wildest animation ideas to life. So without any further ado, let's get started. First up, we have Adobe Express Animate. If you want to create animated videos with your audio, then this is the tool for you. Simply choose your character, the background of your image, the size of the animation you want, and hit the record button to add your voice. In no time, it will create a 3D character animation with your voice in it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Next, let's talk about Prome AI. This tool is a game changer. With its text to video and image to video features, you can transform your ideas into animation in seconds. It's perfect for generating inspiration or creating 3D-like animations. Krikey is another fantastic option for creating 3D animations. It is known for its user-friendly interface and ability to bring your characters to life with realistic moments. Just select the character, choose the animation you want, add the voiceover, and click on AI Generate. It will create such an amazing video in no time. For those looking to create highly realistic and detailed 3D animations, Pika is worth exploring. Here, you just describe what kind of video you want and click on this magic button. And here's the result which you will get. Last but not the least, we have Deep Motion. This tool excels in character animation, facial expressions, and body movements. They are perfect for creating cinematic quality animations. Remember, AI tools are meant to enhance your creativity, not replace it. Experiment with these tools, combine them with your skills, and create amazing animations. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments which tool you are most excited to try. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.